Have you ever wanted to learn a new skill or try your hand at a DIY project but didn't know where to start? Look no further. YouTube is home to a vast array of educational content that can help you master anything from cooking to coding, gardening to graphic design. With tutorials on various skills, DIY guides, and educational videos, YouTube has become a virtual classroom where anyone can access knowledge and learn at their own pace. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always something new to discover on YouTube. Want to cook like a pro? Check out the countless cooking channels that offer step-by-step tutorials on everything from basic cooking techniques to mouth-watering recipes from around the world. Looking to unleash your creativity? YouTube is a treasure trove of DIY videos that will inspire you to embark on all sorts of crafty projects. Learn how to repurpose old furniture, create stunning home decor, or even build your own gadgets with just a few simple tools. But it's not just about practical skills. YouTube is also a hub for educational content that covers a wide range of subjects, from history and science to mathematics and literature. Explore captivating lectures, thought-provoking discussions, and in-depth analysis that will enrich your mind and broaden your horizons. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a lifelong learner, or simply looking for a new hobby, YouTube has got you covered. Dive into the world of educational content and start mastering skills today. Thanks for watching this comprehensive guide to DIY, tutorials, and educational content. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. Happy learning!